Hi everybody, it's Lisa from How to Zazzle, and today I'm going to show you the difference between categories and collections. There's several different ways you can use them, and you definitely don't have to do it my way, but I'm just going to give you a brief overhaul because it actually took me a long time to even notice that you could put things in collections and categories, and I know it's kind of confusing to have both. So I'm just going to do a real quick, I won't go into too many details here. But basically, categories, if you go to your product page down the left-hand side, well, first you'll see like the Zazzle departments, babies, kids, accessories, blah, blah, blah. Then if you go down a ways, you'll see categories, and these are the categories you made. So how I do it is I make like a very general thing. So I'm on my Time for the Holiday store. So I made a category for each holiday. Well, not for each holiday, for like April holidays, August, December, awareness month, and I also have like wedding and birthday stuff in here. So I put very basic things like a coral wedding, a fall wedding. So kind of like I make categories into broader things. When it comes to collections, I do more detailed. So with collections, like, so for the category, I'll have blue wedding, but for the collection, it'll be like a blue floral wedding. So collections are just a little more detailed, and you can also use themes in collections. So if you have like something you drew that you have on several products, you can make that design into a collection. Or if you did like, say you did a fall wedding with like leaves were in the design, then you could do like autumn leaves wedding and have an invitation and paper plates and the RSVP and save the day cards, you know what I mean, like the whole collection of wedding stuff. So category, if they clicked on like blue wedding, it would show any theme of, as long as it was blue wedding stuff. You know, it could be floral, it could be modern, you know, it could be a photo wedding invitation, whatever, as long as it's blue. But in the collection, it would be more detailed, more specific. So anyway, if you look, you know, down the left-hand side, you can see all your categories here. And how you add a product to a category is when you're making the product. Let me go into here and we'll make one. So, okay, blah, blah, blah. We're going to click on, okay, go away. Okay, we're going to click on sell it. Now, when you put in your description and everything, down here it will say store category. So right here is where you go in and you select, and all your categories that you've made will pop up. So here I got an Easter thing, so I'm going to stick it in my Easter category. And it's just as easy as that. Another way you can do it is you can go back to your product page. Let me go back to the store again. So click on your store, then go to products. And then you can scroll down and, okay, you can go to any product and see where it says actions underneath the product. Click on that, and right here you can also set your store category. Also, you can do like several at once. So if you have like a lot of Easter products you just made, you can click all of them and then also add those to the category. So how you make the categories is, see right here where all your products are on your product page. So over here to the left are all your categories, and right above that it says all categories. Click on that. And then this page will come up showing all your categories. So then you just click on add new category, and right here you can put in the name of whatever category you want to make, and you can upload a little thumbnail. And so when people go to your store, they'll see your categories that have a picture in them. So like all these will show up because I have pictures. And you can control what shows up on your store by going to settings. and then going to advanced settings. And right here, you can choose what you want, and like I have some of these hidden, and you can pick what you want to show in the visible sections, and that's what will show when people go to your store to look at it. So now that's it for categories. Now for collections I use more detailed, and like I said, there's two ways you can do it. One, you can pick a design. So like, see this little leprechaun mandala I made? So this collection has a lot of different products with this design on it. So if you like that design, you can go in there and pick whatever product you want. The other way you can use collections is for like a theme. Like, so say like this is like a birthday party. So for a birthday party, you don't have to use the same design, but I did in this one. But you can have like several different things for a birthday party. So you can have a banner, napkins, and a card. So basically the way to use collections is either to have a collection of the same design or a collection of a theme, like a birthday party or wedding, something like that. So you could put like sister birthday cards, and you could have like a whole collection of birthday cards for sisters. They don't necessarily have to have the same design. I hope I'm making sense and you understand that. And for some reason on Zazzle, there's not a way to add a product in the collection, like in the description. Like when you like press sell it and you add the description, everything in, you can add everything to a category, but I don't know why Zazzle doesn't have it set up so you could add it to a collection in the same spot. They don't. But again, you just go to your products page, and in the same place where you'd add to categories, right here where it says actions, you click on that and you can add it to collections. And just like with categories, you can click on all the products you just made that go into the category, and then you just search the collections you've made here, and you can, these are everything you've made. So you can just either start a new collection, or you can just click on one and it will add it to that. So how you make collections is click on the collection button up here, and you just click on add a collection, and then you fill in a name, then you add your tags, you add a description right here, and then you can choose multiple stores, which is nice, for your collection to show up in, and then you click the main one that you want it to show up in. And then that's it, and then you're done. And then once you make that, click on it, and you can upload a banner, and all the text you put in will show up here. But yeah, don't forget to add your banner. And also on the original page here, on your collection, you can upload a cover here to your, you don't have to. If you don't, then your products will just show up in the picture. But if you don't like how that looks, you can just like say you start a collection with one design, like I was talking about the St. Patrick's Day mandala. I just made that the cover. But if I didn't have that as a cover, then just the products would show up there. So either way, it's okay, But that's it. That's mainly the difference between categories and collections. I hope I covered everything. And another thing that's really nice about collections is when you share them. So click on this and then click the share button. And you can embed them. Like if you have a blog to advertise your products, you can embed them there. You can share them on Twitter and Pinterest. And when you share them on Twitter and Pinterest, it's nice because it actually shows a block of your products. Let me show you what I mean. See what I mean? It shows like the whole, you can see several products, not just one. So anyway, if I didn't answer anything, go ahead and ask a question, and I'll try to answer it in the comments below. And I hope you guys all have a great day. Happy Zazzling to you. Bye-bye.